Sasabak sa isang tune-up race sa Guimaras ang Southeast Asian Games multi-medalist na si Kim Andrew Remolino bilang paghahanda sa paparating na Asian Beach Games 2026. Yan ang report ni teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Pinaghahandaan na ni Kim Andrew Remolino ang kanyang paparating na kampanya sa Asian Beach Games 2026 na gaganapin sa China sa Abril. Matapos sumabak sa Southeast Asian Games sa Thailand nitong Disyembre, kung saan nakakolekta siya ng isang ginto, 2 silver at 1 bronze medals, target ni Remolino ang podium finish sa muling pagrepresenta ng bansa.
I think it's very important since we can measure where we are currently and how effective our training program is right now. So, based from this, we can also adjust in the next few weeks or few days how we approach the Asian Beach Games pa.
Sa naganap na National Age Group Triathlon nitong nakaraang linggo sa Subic Bay sa Zambales, nadepensahan ni Kim ang kanyang titulo sa Men's Elite Sprint at tinapos ang 750-meter swim, 18-kilometer bike at 5-kilometer run sa loob ng 56 minutes and 17 seconds. Nagsilbi itong tune-up race bago ang mas malaking karera sa Abril. Pero isa pa sa kanyang paraan ng paghahanda ay ang pagsali sa isang kompetisyon sa Guimaras ngayong Marso.
The standard distance, so baka it's more of a training race than an actual parang test of ourselves as well. So our main focus for this quarter is more on the Asian Beach Games.
May pressure man para sa tubong Cebu, naniniwala ito na malaking bentahe sa kanya ang sumali sa mga national at local races sa pagpapalakas ng kanyang kumpiyansa.
It's an added pressure, but as well as I think it's more of a privilege for us. Now we feel that pressure kasi nga we're representing the country and as well as our own city and as well as our very own barangays. So it highlights how important grassroots programs are in our country. So that's why we don't have to really focus on big cities as well. So yung parang podium natin is parang all over the country.
Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino para sa bagong Pilipinas.